Hi, I'm Jackson, this is Sam, and that's Brooklyn. Today we're going to teach you how to make calming jars. So, things you'll need are a plate, a bottle, glitter, preferably inside of a cup so it doesn't make a mess, water, baby oil, hot water at that, and a paper funnel for the glitter. We'll show you how to use that in a minute. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your bottle and place it on your plate. After that, you can either add your hot water or your glitter. I'm going to add my glitter first. But for the glitter, what you're going to do is you're going to take that funnel you made and place it inside the bottle. And then you're going to take your glitter. I did a mixture with gold, pink, blue, and black stars with a little bit of silver hexagons. You can choose whatever glitter you want. You don't even have to have a mixture if you don't want to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently tap it inside to get the glitter inside the bottle. Now we can set the cup aside and take our funnel out. You'll want about this much glitter, and as you can see, it's just a little filled up. It's not a whole lot. That is probably maybe half an inch. After that, you're going to add your hot water. You might want to have an adult help you with this just so you don't spill it, and that's why we have the paper plate, so if you do spill something, it's easier to clean up. But you're going to add your water just under where the bottle starts to curve up. You want your glitter to be right about there. After that, you're going to take your baby oil, take the cap off. Again, you might want an adult to help you with this just so nothing gets spilled. But you're going to fill that up to that curve. As you can see, I have it at the curve currently to where the bottle starts to stout up. And from there, this is where it gets interesting. You can add food coloring to color your bottle. I'm going to add blue just because I think blue is a really fun color and it helps make green, which is my favorite. You can add 1 or 2 drops depending on how dark you want your color. I'm going to just add 1 for the time being. After that, this is where you're really going to want an adult to help you. So you're going to take your cap, and you're going to take some super glue, and you're going to glue inside of that cap. So that way the bottle seals and nothing spills. After you put your glue in your cap, you're going to put your cap on and screw it in place tightly. And then once you do that, you're going to give it a good shake to get the glitter, the oil, the water, and the food coloring mixed. And after that, you can see you have your jar. You will want it to sit for a couple minutes just so it turns out more like this, where the glitter evens out and it looks beautiful. But once you're done, once it sits, you should be able to do that and watch the glitter flow in both up or down direction depending on how you hold it.